Good question. So the reason why we have got two grippers on this robot, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to simulate it. So I've got a part here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to simulate, imagine me as a robot, and I'm going to put my one hand in the pocket, and I've got a single gripper on the end. So one of the functions of this particular robot is to actually move parts from one machine to another. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab this part, move it across as though I was the robot, and what I need to do is I need to actually place this part inside this machine. But as you can see, the machine has already got a part. So I somehow need to find a work in progress area where I can place the part down, remove this part, put it in another work in place area, take this part, put it back into this machine, then I can move this part to the next operation. That machine actually starts working. So as I move this across to the next machine, I now have the same problem. So I now need to put this part down, take this part, put it in the final good part rack, come back, and actually take this part and put it on here, and this can start. So as you can see, that's a pretty inefficient process. So I'm going to run this again with the double gripper. So now I'm a robot with a double gripper, so I can grab the first part, move across, efficiently remove this, put this one in, move across, efficiently remove this, put that one in, and put the part over here. And as you can see, that's significantly more efficient, and we make better utilization of the robot using a double gripper. Here's another Machine Monday.